Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to add social media buttons to a video with FlexClip easily. Method 1. Click text to find the social media category. Click See All, and browse to view all pre-made samples. Hover to preview the effect. Apply one sample to the canvas. Ungroup it and edit the text and icon. You can adjust the icon's color, opacity, animation, etc. Double-click the text box to type new words, then edit the text in detail. Finally, group them, adjust the duration on the timeline and preview it. Method 2. Find the social category in Elements. Click See All to check all social media buttons. You can also search for elements with keywords. Next, apply a social media button and edit it on the canvas. You can change the color, flip, opacity, and animation easily. Finally, adjust the duration on the timeline and preview it. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.